Okay, we're looking at differentiation, and if you're not sure about differentiation, basically what differentiating the equation of a curve or line, whatever, produces is what's known as the gradient function. So a function where you can put in a value of x and find out what the gradient is at that value of x. So if I write down, I'm just going to write down actually initially 3x to the power 4 minus x squared. Now when we differentiate, the y becomes dy dx. Right, there are reasons for this and why it works, but that's in A level, to be honest. So there you go. So here we go. So what happens is the power of x initially, so this power here, right, and this is the power of x, multiplies by the number in front of x, or the coefficient of whatever it is. Okay, so 4 times 3 makes, so I get 4 times 3 x to the 4 minus 1, and the power of x goes down by 1. Right, same thing here, it goes 2 times x, right, 2 minus 1. Now I'm going to tidy that up, and my 4 times 3 gives me 12x to the power 3, or x cubed, minus 2x to the power 1. I'm just going to leave as 2x. Alright, so if we do a similar thing over here, okay, we've got y equal, I'm going to have to squash it up a little bit. So it says find the gradient of. Now when we differentiate, we that gives us the gradient function. So when we differentiate here, alright, we get 2 times 5, which is 10. Power of x goes down by 1, so it becomes x to the power 1, which is just x, minus, now we've got 2x to the power 1. Alright, so x to the power 1 goes down to x to the power 0, and anything to the power 0 is 1, so it's 2 times 1, which is 2. And then because this here, this is a constant, alright, it's the y-intercept, whatever you want to think of it, has no effect on the gradient at all. So when you differentiate, whole numbers just disappear, as it were. I mean, it's because they have no effect on the gradient. They just move the curve or line or whatever it is up and down. All right, no effect on the gradient whatsoever. Now, what I now do is I substitute in when x equals 2, dy dx equals 10 times 2 minus 2, which is 18, and that's my answer for that bit. So differentiation is just the power of it, the initial power of x multiplies by the coefficient of x, x whatever it is, and the power goes down. All right.